me see. That's good. Hey boys, welcome. How you doing? We're in backtesting. Backtesting session number 3. Um, we left it right here. With the worst loss ever. I have enough backtesting session or even any kind of account. It's been pretty bad. But let's go straight into the charts. If you've been going down, there's only way to go now, and it's up. So let's get it, man. Let's go into this. I did a very unprofitable decision today. I don't care. I didn't give a fuck about this guy. I did a very unprofitable decision today. I feel very bad. I feel very unprofitable today, not because of my account, not because I'm negative 2%. I mean 4%. Um, I was gonna wake up to go to the gym. It's 11 in the morning. I was going to go. I'll put my alarm to wake up at 9, and I was like, all right, going to the gym in the morning, and then I'll eat breakfast, all that shit. I fucking slept. I fucking slept like a baby. I woke up with the alarm close to the how you call this? The thing. I don't know. Close the wind. That covers the window, and so I have less sunlight, so I can sleep better. I was a fucking bitch. I'm fucking unprofitable. That was a very unprofitable decision for me. Now I feel very bad, and as a punishment, tomorrow I gotta go to the gym at 5 in the morning before my classes, and I have to train fucking leg. But I'm gonna do it. That's a punishment for myself. Um, I remember this day in the charts. They say we lost all like 4 trades. I don't know. I'm not gonna trade more in this day. So yeah, very unprofitable me today. Very unprofitable. And I will do. I plan on doing 2 backtesting sessions for the day. So let's see. Let's go straight. Talking too much like always. So let's go. Play straight. No. Next day open. Damn, price didn't. We're in the 4 hour. So let's see. Yeah, we've been losing a lot because I don't know what the fuck market, what kind of fucking market is this, but we'll see if market now can play it like normally it would. I don't have the news for these days. I don't know what's going on, but let's see. All right, let's go to the 4 hour C. Um, we had this 4 hour uh, fair value gap, these highs, and then I'm gonna mark these highs too. Here and here. So we got all these highs. Let's see here in NQ. We don't really got any highs from here. We got this imbalance right here, but that's too far away. Yeah, that's too far yet. So let's see. 4 hour completely bullish, no doubt. But we just disrespected. Look, finally, some very signals. Disrespected this 4 hour fair value gap. But it kind of balanced this one. That's the thing. We disrespect this one, but we're respecting this one for now. So I don't like that. Uh, but I don't like that. No, it's just bearish but bullish at the same time. So here NQ 4 hour respecting bullish order flow. So I might have to target this height for today. Uh, which after like crushing it like for like the past week, I don't know if price is going to continue to the upside. I believe I have to continue to the upside because look, 1 hour fair value gap respected, and here let's see on ES. Oh well, not respected, but we had the 4 hour fair value gap that got respected, and then we have it a bounce, and then well it didn't balance any fair value gap, but at least it's reacting to a EQ. So I might have to target these highs. I might. So let's see. So my bias of the day, uh, I kind of want to see price go. Yeah, since we're expecting bullish order flow, I want to see price go take these highs. So let's see if we can get a trade of that. Let's see, like this. And 1 hour for all you got on this one, but it's too small. We got this one on ES. Hay cosas que no te dije. Alright. 4 hour. Nah, it's for all you got, this one. So yeah, there's nothing more to look in the 4 hour, 1 hour. I don't see any drops of liquidity. I see these lows, but they're too far away. So let's see what price ended up doing. Well, I gotta mark session highs and lows. Oh my god, I hate this. Oh, I see a gap. Maybe not. It's got fail. Um. Well, bro, I hate it when I don't click the thing. Click it. Boom. Click. Cosa que no te dije. Yeah. By the way, I'm not trading this week. So if you know, it's 11 in the morning. Market is right here open. But yeah, I'm not gonna be testing because I mean trading because I want to practice more so I can like buy a funded account next week. Hopefully pass it, but I need to have the winner here at backtesting. So that's what I'm doing in because I don't have enough capital to just trade with my money. So it's just better. I like practice for funded accounts and then I just start with funded account. So right, highs and lows. London low right here. Boom. London high right here. Same here. Bro, clicked it, bro. Oh my god. Damn, I hate this shit. Alright, it shit highs now. Here. Here it is shit highs. Yeah. And lows have been already taken. And alright, so ES just swept London session high, so let's go to the 1 hour, kind of build my bias because I don't have a very clear bias. I want to see longs. I want to see longs. So we got these strong just on liquidity. This equal highs accumulated, and yeah. So I want to target that. And we're expecting this 1 hour for value gap. We're getting a reaction of that. Well, let's see if we can inverse this 1 hour. I didn't see this one. I gotta be more. Gotta be ready. I'm gonna mark this. But look on look. ES already invalidated bearish with this inverse 1 hour for value gap. So yeah, I'm gonna look to the upside now. I want to target these highs, even though he has just swept London session high. So I want to target these highs, but I think that's too far. I want to see price go sweep this low and then go up, which I don't think is going to happen because it literally just inverse this 1 hour. Do you guys hear me? I think I'm talking too how you opposite of loud. Quiet. I'm talking too quietly. I don't know. Yeah, I could have taken a trade of the inversion of this 1 hour for value gap, but price already fucking flew through it. So I don't know. Maybe on Nasdaq I could. All right. So let's just go to the 5 minute and see. I want to get this London session low get swept, but it's not going to look like it. But I could target this Asia session high. So let's see. Well, we're getting a reaction of this 1 hour for value gap. So let's see. Let me speed this up. Let's see. Yes, just swept the London highs in pre-market. Yeah, that would be great. Yeah. All right, so yes, just took all the highs I wanted to take. Maybe price want to go take these highs. Let me see if we can if we get a reaction of these highs. Yes, to the downside and then a reaction to the upside. Damn, Nasdaq is looking so fucking chop. What the fuck is this Nasdaq? What are you doing? Um, I don't really know. Maybe I could target. Let's see if I can add any confirmation. I didn't want to take shorts, but if price could invert like let's see. It's just we're bullish. Look this V-shaped recovery. Um, if I get a confirmation to the upside, I'm gonna go target these highs. If not, I'm gonna target this low. Hopefully we can get like a confirmation to the upside. Or to the downside. Alright, he's feeling the 5-minute fair value gap. Reaction of that. Okay. So, yeah. Damn, it's just I can't. Oh my god, I'm struggling a lot. I cannot take a trade to these highs because Nasdaq is about to take London session highs, and you know when it could potentially reverse of that. Let's see. Doesn't look like it. I'm gonna go ahead and target these these highs on NQ. I mean on ES. Uh, here and here. I'll go target these highs. Just this trade is not really ideal. Maybe wait one more candlestick. Yeah, price is going up. Nah, bro, fuck. I cannot put my stop under this one. Nah, I'm just gonna wait for a confirmation. I'm not gonna wait for the movement because it's already too high. Let's see if we can go fill a fair value gap before hitting the target. Please. Oh my god. So shouldn't take in the trade here. I was bullish. I had to trust my bias. Really fucked up. Really, very fucked up for the day. But at least my scenario, my bias ended up playing out. Well, let's see. ES hasn't taken his high, so let's see if we could like react of that. We can get a reaction of this for about nah. ES is gonna take this. Yeah. ES just took the highs. No retracement into equilibrium, nothing. So I could look for a downside movement now, but that's not my bias. So uh, let's see if price drops quick. It's already 12. That's gonna go even higher. Oh, what a shame, dude. Oh, yeah, it took my targets of the day. That really fucks up. And I couldn't take the trade because of these London session highs on NQ. So yeah, let's just really shit. No. Fuck. Yeah. So let me just delete all these. Boom. And go to next day open. Yeah. Damn, dude. rough market. Let's just stop wasting time. Next day open, and oh, I didn't journal the trade. So oh no, I didn't took any trade. I was like, so alright, let's see here. Let's go to the 4 hour. Completely bullish. Completely bullish to on Nasdaq. I'm gonna delete this because this is too far away. Uh yeah, bullish. This 1 hour fair value gap holding price, but so in the 4 hour I see bullish respect of this 4 hour for well, no 4 hour we got this fair value gap right here, which hasn't been balanced, but let's see on on NQ no fair value gap, so I don't know about that. Damn, I'm like struggling a lot to build up bias. And it's like whatever. Damn, I'm really struggling. Let me just think. Let's just take a I'm overthinking. Simple. What order flow are we respecting? Bullish. We're bullish here. 4 hour bullish. Both indexes. I don't have to see more 4 hours. Let's go to the 1 hour straight. So right here we can see more details. We can see that price tapping to this 1 hour for value gap on ES and react of that. So we're bullish. We got this 1 hour for value gap right here. And on ES, on NQ, we got this fair value gap here, right? This is like, this fair value gap is gonna tell me like my bias. Either I go to the downside or we just go higher. So let's see what price wants to do. Therefore, we haven't got any kind of retracement since here, like a very good retracement into EQ. So yeah, I don't know, any highs right here. These highs. Yeah, they're kind of far. Let's see if we got any highs here on ES. And I didn't even look at the news last day. Oh my god, I'm so unprofitable, dude. What the hell's going on with me? Let's see the news for the day. News. Friday, May 16. Oh shit, we got a red folder at 10. So we gotta wait till 10 for take any trades. I'm gonna mark that timeline 10 right there. I'm just gonna mark my draws on liquidity and see if we get inspection of this fair value gap. I'll take entries to the highs. If not, I'll just take shorts. Depends on this 1 hour fair value gap inspection or not. I'm not gonna mark this line. So let's go ahead and mark session. Draws on liquidity. Yeah, session highs and session lows. Damn, I hate to do this. I don't have the indicator on TradingView. I got an indicator, but on FX replay you don't have an indicator for session highs and lows. That sucks, but it is what it is. So we gotta wait till 10 to get any trades in. Damn. Oh my god, this happens every single time. I don't click the line, dude. I didn't even put it right. Okay. Let's just mark the session highs and lows. Yeah, London just got swept. Here, did it got swept? Uh, kind of. Kind of got swept, but we still have liquidity here. I believe we still have liquidity there. I believe we have liquidity here, so I'm gonna take that as a draw. We just swept these lows, London session lows, right down here, Asia session lows. Here. And then the highs have been already taken out, so I don't care about those anymore. So we just swept this high. All right, I gotta wait for the for 10, but we just swept these highs. Right now, uh, if hopefully we could get like let's see. All right, we could already invest. Let's see price. I want to take shorts to these lows. Even though we're bullish, it depends on the fair value gap. I think I'm just gonna wait for a liquidity sweep to get hit. I mean, for a draw liquidity to get hit, and then I'll just take the trades. So let's go. Let's see what's go. All right, let me just build a bias scenarios. I wanna draw them out. Because I cannot tell you. All right, first scenario. Boom, booms. We go to these highs. No, I don't think we'll. We just we just this like this. First scenario, we just go lower, get these lows, which are my targets for the day. But maybe, I see some. I see if we could inverse all these, is this fair value gap 1 hour fair value, we could go look for this one. So this is gonna be one of my targets if I want to take shorts for the day. If I want to take shorts, yeah, this is gonna be one of my targets. This 1 hour fair value gap. Now let's see on NQ. No fair value gaps to the downside, and then my bias for the day. I think yeah, but if price goes here, there's nothing I can do really. I wanna see maybe these, or my other scenario is this. Price respect this rally got go over, and then gives me a reaction here to go to the downside. My second scenario here like this, so price respects here, goes takes these highs, and then it goes long to this. But these are my targets for today. These lows, I wanna see price take these lows. So hopefully let's see if we can get a trade into that, because I haven't been able to take any good trades. So let's see. And I gotta wait till 5 for news. Fuck. Oh, we swept these highs. Alright, let's see. We got news of 5. Please, just inverse. Don't go, or is this like a confirmation to the downside? It could. We just feel this gap. Just respecting this gap. Right, news, right? Let's see if we can inverse this 1 hour for value gap. Or is this going to respect it? If it inverts this 1 hour for value gap, I'm gonna take shorts to these London session lows. Okay, good reaction. Look, 1 hour completely respectation of the fair value gap. So I believe now with this movement that price wants to just to push higher now. And let's see if I can take a trade off this. Well, let's first see if price doesn't react already. Okay, I want to wait for another good candle sit up. Okay, Yeah, that's what I wait. That's why you wait. That's how it's done. Alright. Kind of being kind of choppy, not gonna lie. Let's see if we can get a break to the upside. Okay, I like this. Alright, so I'm gonna take a trick on ES. You just break structure to the upside, inverse this 1 minute fair value gap. Oh wait, oh there was not. Oh. But yeah, and it's respecting this 1 hour fair value gap. This 1 hour fair value gap is holding price, even though we push a little bit under it. It just looks like pushing price up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take up longs right here till this Asian session high, Asian session London session highs. My stop's gonna be under this low. Maybe I could put my stop like that because we just balance EQ here in the 1 minute. No, we didn't. Yeah, I gotta put my stop under here, and it fucking sucks. It's a 128. I mean 0.8. That's not a good trade, and I cannot move my stop lower than that. Man. I'm gonna have to put it under this low, but that's no ideal. But I'm gonna put it on this low. I'm confident about this high taking out before retracement. So yeah, I'm gonna go no. I'm gonna go ahead and risk 0.5 because I would have risked 0.7, but if I could place my stop under this low, which I can because I would get a negative RR. I don't really take that kind of trade, so let's see. Place trade here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take a long 2 on NQ, which gives me a better risk reward ratio, I believe. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna take it till these highs because I mean if well we're bullish, we could target these highs. The thing is on ES we don't have any highs, so I'm just gonna target this. This is my portion of the pie. You know, you just gotta take as a trader. You just take a portion. That's it. Do I believe in my bias? I see a reaction. This fair value gap holding. We got an inverse 1 minute break of structure. Inverse fair value gap in the 1 minute. Yeah, we got an inversion of this fair value gap in the 1 minute. I see ES. Yeah, respect of this 1 hour fair value gap. I don't really take trades off fair value gaps, but let's see. I'm gonna place a trade. I'm gonna go 0.7 risk, and I'm gonna target this high, or until this, or until let me mark my break-even point. Until ES flip this high, I'm gonna go break even now. I go break even at this fair value gap, 5 minute fair value gap right here. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even right here. Right there. And then here, yeah, and the 5 minutes is just a 1 minute fair value gap. We don't have any fair value gaps to hold price, so. Alright, so let's just see if we could hopefully get finally a trade. I haven't get any trades in this session, so let's see. Let's go. fix my shirt. Oh. I might be unprofitable. I. Holy fuck. How. Oh my god. Let me journal this and I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. Don't know what to say really. I think we can still get a reaction to the ups. Fuck, dude. Fuck. Oh my god, how I'm gonna be more than 4? I'm gonna go. Dude, it's just my win rate is fucking so negative. How I'm gonna get so fucking negative win rate, dude? What's going on, bro? What is fucking going on? News already came out. What the fuck is this movement? Price is just fucking playing with me, man. But I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. I'm here to struggle. I'm here to struggle. In trading, you gotta struggle to make it. So I gotta struggle. Let's see. We still got draws on liquidity clear. So let's see. So yeah, it's gonna take out that lows. Unfortunately, I can't do shit. That was my target for the day. Fucking sucks, dude. So we just completely go to the downside. Shouldn't take this as already taken. Just liquidity here, and we got this high here on NQ. That was telling me, oh, we can push higher, but nope. Let's see if we can get a reaction to the upside now, but we just inverse this 1 hour fair value gap, so I think price just can keep going if it wants to keep going to the downside. Let's see if we could get a reversal. Okay, good reversal. V-shaped recovery. I see this on liquidity getting take out. We can now maybe go look for these highs. Yeah, we can go look for these highs. Remember my target of the day. No, my target of the day was the shorts. If I'm gonna take a long, I have to take it right here. I cannot take it more than this. So after this liquidity sweep and seeing this V-shaped recovery, I think I'm gonna go in. I believe price could go up. We just inverse all these. Well, this 1 minute fair value gap just got inversed right here. Yeah, and then on ES, well, on ES not yet, but so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and target these highs and even these highs, but my first target is gonna be this high right here. I'm gonna go ahead and target this. Go ahead and target this and even this. So I'm just gonna take 80% here, and then I'm gonna leave the 20 till here. So I already took a trade, so I'm not gonna risk a lot. I'm just gonna risk 0.5. I'm gonna risk 0.6 now. No, 60%. You're crazy. 0.6. Okay. And then partial 80%, and then 20. And then same here. Same risk, same everything. 80%. 20. Let's see. Hopefully we could get a reaction of this. If not, then I'm completely cooked. I'm completely fucked. Let's see. I don't understand all this low. I'm waiting for my break-even point, but it's respecting this very fair value gap. I don't like that. Yeah. But here is just inverse this for value gap. So I'm just gonna hold the trade, and I'm not gonna go break even. Right. Finally, a target. Oh my god, I'm gonna go break even now. We just took first target, so I'm gonna go break even now. Should I? I'm not gonna hit our NQ. I don't think I'll move my stop now. I'm just gonna leave it break even at both and see if we could like push higher. I just don't want to get a react because I already swept this high. I don't want to get a reaction of this, which is not a really strong drawn liquidity. Well, it's near session highs, but hopefully we can reach this high. That's liquidity point. So I got a target. You got a target liquidity. No emotions. Oh, let's see. I'm just gonna hold it. What time is it? It is 11. No. Right. Second target. It's right there. Yeah, that's gonna get hit for sure. Let's go. Second target hit. After this, I'm gonna go ahead and take partials here. Cool. And then I was gonna move my stock to profits here. I just closed 80%. Finally, I get a trade. Finally. Okay. Let's see, we hit a 2.1 to 2.4. Finally. All right. Let me. Oh well. Let's just wait till this trade to see what happens. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna move my target maybe. I'm just gonna move myself here. Should I just take partials here? I'm just gonna hold it. I see the movement. I'm just gonna move my stuff here and hope for it to continue to the upside. Okay. Keep going to the upside. If we could bounce off that, cool. Awesome. Keep bouncing. Keep bouncing. Yeah, I'm gonna go move myself here now. Let's see. Oh shit. Oh, alright, cool. Finally, two good trades. Finally. Oh my god. I was ready to lose it. I was ready to lose it. Let me journal this and I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm just back after journaling this trade. So finally we hit a trade. Finally, damn, this is broken right here. I gotta get a new one. Finally we hit a good trade. Finally. Alright. Let's see if we can go to the next day and get another trade. Let's see if price wants to go take these highs. Probably not. Alright, me just right. No. Not bad. Yeah, market already closed. Alright, let's go to the next day open. Let me just delete all this stuff. Those. go to. Let me delete this too. Next day open. All right. So let's see what we got here. Let's go to the 4 hour again. So it looks like, all right, we just hit EQ in the 4 hour. So in the 4 hour, are we bullish or bearish? What are we respecting? So right now we just disrespect this gap. So we just disrespect this because this week came balance this fair value gap, but now we're inverse. We're going under this low. So what's more probable that we just go lower? I believe that. I believe in that because we just push past this low. So I'm gonna look to target these fair value gaps that are right here in the 1 hour. Cosa que no te di, ay, ya me duele. It's a 4 hour fair value gap. Yeah, I'm bearish for today. I want to go to see this low taken out because pretty much we're still in this fucking, I don't know, but I don't know what it is, but let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I wanna go keep looking for the downside. And we got this 4 hour fair value gap here. Normal, so I'm gonna mark this as a liquidity point. So yeah, I wanna go. I think prices are just going to go lower because we're disrespecting this fair value gap in the 4 hour, and this is kind of a high. We could bounce off. We could. Don't get me wrong. Because we just bounced EQ here. Let's see. Let's go to the 1 hour. I don't like to see the graph in 4 hours. So yeah, it just went through equilibrium, but it just inverts this 1 hour fair value gap that was on EQ. So yeah, for me this is like an inverse fair value gap. This is like a sign for price to just go lower. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for shorts. So my target for the day is this lows fair value gaps and then this low. So let's see if we can hit that, you know. Let's see if we can hopefully sweep a liquidity and then move to the downside. Oh, me pica la pierna. So let's go. Session highs and lows, like always. Mark session highs, session lows. I think I'm talking too quietly, but I think this is a very good mic, so I should be able to hear myself. So let's go 9:30, 8:30, and then 3 a.m. Go same thing here. Boom, boom. All right. So all right, I like this. No, I don't like it yet. Well, let's see. Asia session highs. Well, I didn't. Oh no, today I was like. Oh no. I was like. I thought I didn't take the trash out, but today is not the day of the trash. Yeah. Oh. All right, whatever. Let's go back to trading. Asia session highs. Let's go quick. They're right here. These ones. For me, this, even though this is like HSation started here, I'm not gonna take this as a high. This is like a equal highs I can see here, so I'm gonna take this as the high. Uh, and yeah, most of the time when price goes like this in a session open here, it's just gonna react off these first lows of the session. So let's go here. London lows right here. Oh, I see a very sweet drawn liquidity right here. Yeah, on ES2. Ooh, I like this. I like this. Damn, this look very good. So, why do I want to look for the day? Let's go to the 1 hour and build my bias. So, price is right here. It's about to take these equal highs and London session highs and this very strong ground liquidity, which in 1 hour doesn't look like it, but alright. So we're starting to get bearish signals. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for bearish entries until these lows. So my first entry, no, my bias, no entry. But yeah, my entries are based off my bias. So same thing almost. Where's the path right here? So first bias, price go take these highs, and then we get a reaction to the downside. Pretty much that's it. London session highs equal highs, and then reaction to the downside, and then we could go lower, push higher into these equal highs, and then we go lower. Let's change the color of this. So yeah, my target for the day are these lows, but also these. So I could take to these equal highs that they're about to be taken, but if price go lower and sweep these highs, I could get a trade into these equal highs, London session highs, and then I could get a short. So this could be a banger day. So let's see what price ended up doing. See, and the news, come on, news. Always forget about the news. Let's see, this is Monday. Oh, no news Monday 19. Oh, we got news. What is, I can't see because of my I can't see because of my I can't see because of my camera. But yeah, we got a speech only speeches. But yeah, that at least give us a sign that there's gonna be a little of movement. And well, let's see. Oh, all right, completely swept. Price just flew through these equal highs. Let's see if it can go take Asia session highs too. Yeah, and this is equal highs too. So this is strong on liquidity. So I'm gonna wait to the downside. I'm pretty confident about prices dropping from here. Let's see if the 1 hour we're respecting anything. Well, we push into this fair value gap, but in the 4 hour we could push lower potentially. Yeah, I think we're gonna keep pushing lower, even though we're reacting. And then we got the inversion of this gap. Let's see. Hopefully, I don't need to get the whole movement. Let's see if we can sweep this liquidity, this session highs, and then get a reaction of that. Let's see. I want to see in the 1 minute. Let's go 1 minute here too. Damn. Okay. All right. Session. Asia session highs gets taken on ES. I mean NQ, not ES. Cool. Look at that. So now we can look for shorts. Awesome. Let's see. It could be better, even better if ES could sweep the highs too. But okay, sweep the highs too. So we could get an insane short right now. Let's see if we can get inversion of. I don't see any fair value gaps here. So I want to get a good RR. Let's see if we can react off that. Damn. Okay, price is not reacting. That's really weird. Maybe he wants to go take out this high. Or maybe there's a fair value gap. There's this fair value gap right here. I haven't seen it. But this is not a target for the day for me. But let's see to wait if that gets hit. I'm just gonna wait for a bearish confirmation to the downside. That's the only thing I'm waiting for. And then, well, I don't know how to take this fair value. I'm just gonna leave it like this because this is what haven't been balanced yet. So let's see. Oh my god, I'm very blind right now. Look, this fair value gap, it was kind of hiding. Look at this fair value gap, but it just inverts it. So I don't know what price wants to do now. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for any draws on liquidity to get hit, and then a reaction of that. Let's see. So it looked like ES is going to inverse this gap. Alright, you just inverse it. Let me just speed up this a bit. Okay, swept these highs. It's almost getting to the fair value gap, and Q is getting to that fair value gap. So let's see. I think ES can react now because it's just got too close for it. Okay, damn, price has been completely bullish. I've been very wrong. Once I miss it, it is 10. It just balanced its fair value gap. Let's see if we get a reaction of that. No, doesn't look like it. Okay, we're getting the reaction. Inverse fair value gap. In the ES, we got this fair value gap inverted. Inverse. Yeah, inverse. With the reaction, we look at the reaction we're getting. So I might go and let's see if we could inverse this gap and then look for this London session though. Let's see. Inversion of this fair value gap, then I'll be willing to take trades. No, I don't want to update now. Yeah, price is stuck there. I don't like that. It's building liquidity here. Alright, you swept more highs? Okay. Inverse fair value gap in the 5 minute, but what time is it? I don't know if I want to take more trades. But this fair value gap is holding price for now. And I don't, well, there's kind of equal highs here. But yeah, maybe price doesn't want to keep going because it inverts this fair value gap here. So yeah, price is very tricky. I don't think I'll take a trade, but can we inverse or not? Or are we just gonna stay out here? Yeah, this is not a good day for trade. No. Yeah, price want to go take these highs, and I don't think I'll wait a reaction of that. Alright, and Q just took this high, but it's already won. It's already launch time. Now yeah, after this movement, I'm not gonna take any trades. I'm just gonna stick to my trading plan, and damn, I don't know what is going on with price right now. No. Crazy stuff going on. And you guys heard that loud as how you call it, rayo, marico, trueno, whatever. I think this is that's this is it. This is it for this session, guys. Thank you for watching. All right, let's watch session analytics real quick. We come back at least a little bit. At least we got a loss. We got a 1% loss, and then we came back. But yeah, this is going horrible. So yeah, I lost. I lost. I just came back $200. That's good. That's good. We're coming back. We're starting to see green. Uh, so yeah, this is it for this session, guys. I will be making one more today later. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session, guys. You know we're here to struggle, learn. I'm learning. And what the fuck is this market, dude? Like, I'm not trading when like, yeah, I know. This is when like the deep of 2025 and all that stuff. But yeah, it's been crazy that bounce of price. I get that. Like, if I don't have the news, it's gonna be very hard. But I like it. I like the challenge. I like it. I like the struggle. You know, if I trade here in places where I don't know the news, where there's high volatility, when I'm not really having the context, and when I trade on live, I'm gonna make I'm gonna be it's gonna be easier for me. So this is about training. Training is about making harder. So when you do the real thing, it's easier. So thank you for watching, guys. See you later.